Next, let me speak about the WiMAX. Lots of disputes, lots of arguments. We've got great global momentum. 135 operators are experimenting with WiMAX because some of them need to be able to deliver simultaneously all this information. And I don't want to be 300 feet from a hotspot. I want to be every place that I want to in Taipei, and I just want to be able to get the data that I need. I want to be free in every place. We have bytecode-enabled Intel-based laptop in all the major OEMs. So you can find already WiMAX cards that are installed inside the notebooks. Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi WiMAX cards. Today we welcome the newest WiMAX country, Taiwan. For the netbook category, Koto Duo is the best microprocessor for the notebook category. And they are not the same. They are totally different. One is a companion device, easy to carry with you, surf the internet, basic PC, mainly content consumption. The other one, which is the notebook, is content creation. You need the horsepower, you need the stronger CPU in order to be able to do it. Run several applications in parallel, at the same time have virus protection. You have many things in parallel to do, and you need much more performance. So which one is better? Tell me what the application that you want to do. Tell me what's your usage model, and I'll tell you which one to use. But you cannot compare one against the other, because actually they're complementing each other. Each one has got different use. Try to look at it. And last year we had more than 50 million netbooks that have been sold. And we did a big survey all around the world, and I visit some of the customers, and they just show me similar surveys. 77% of the people say it's my second PC. It's for internet and email when I don't have access to my primary PC. Why? Because I'm in the train, because I need something small, because the lady wants to put it in her purse. She does heavier tasks, more multitasking. You see that people are using more and more notebook and less netbook because simply this is what it's fit for. You want to work, you don't want to wait too long, you need the responsiveness, and that's the territory of the notebook. So as I say, I believe notebook and netbook have a very nice place to live side by side. What is the OS? A lot of discussion, what is the optimal OS? So I've been asked, and for that reason maybe it was not clear. Diamond will support Windows 7 Starter Edition. Again, I've been asked by several people, will Diamond or will not Diamond support Windows 7 Starter? It will. But we designed Diamond to be operating system port of choice. You'll decide what's the optimal operating system for your needs, and you'll be able to do it over Diamond. Why? Because different people have got different needs, different systems have got different price point, and you've got the optimal solution for each one of them. You tell us what you want, and we'll let you do it on our own.
What we have here is we have Mooly version 2, specifically designed for the netbook platform. Absolutely. So what you can see here is my recent appointments, my recent documents that I've opened, videos, and my social networking, all in that. We'll go ahead and click on this and play this video for a minute, since I watched it earlier.
Here, we click on one of the videos, and we watch one of the videos. Let's go to the other.
So it's also running Mooly version 2. But it's an interesting technology demonstration here. I'm going to go up to my toolbar and come over to the applications and open the applications. And what you'll see down here is I actually have a technology demonstration of Google Android apps.
So actually what we have, on the first one we showed you, the first operation is the Mooly. On the second one we show you technology demo of Google running above Mooly. So you can do it as well, and that's what you see over here. What do we have on the third system?
The third system is just
Windows Vista Starter Edition. That is running. So
yeah.
You have three systems. We show you three options of the system: native Mooly, a demo, technology demo of Android over Mooly, and a Vista Starter Edition, Windows 7 Starter Edition. That all of them are running on our system, and that's what I said. This is port of choice. What we speak about now is celebrating 1 year of Apple. But 1 year in our industry is already old. So what I would like to show with you is the next generation of platform for the netbook category. Now you've got all this confusing name of the notebook category, we are going to multiply it by 2. You have the notebook category and you have the netbook category, and the next generation of the netbook category is going to be called Pine Trail. And you'll be surprised how many leading-edge technology from the Halen we took over to this category in order to be able to deliver better experience. So today we have an Atom processor. We are going to have the next generation Pineview mobile, which is going to deliver us better performance than what we used to have. Better performance, you need to get more memory data, you need better bandwidth. You've got two options, bigger cache or go faster to the memory. We cannot afford bigger cache because it will cost more money and the device will be more complicated. So as a result, we integrated the memory controller into the chip. We've got the graphics. Again, two things. First of all, we don't want to have this traffic between the Atom and the graphic chip. I/O the port over here, I/O buffer over here. This I/O buffer are working all the time. It's heat. It will impact the battery life. As a result, we integrated the graphics into the microprocessor. We have a much more complicated chip, but now all the traffic is done inside the chip and it consumes much less power and give us better performance. And last, we took all the rest of the ports, the USB port, the SATA port, whatever you name it, and actually we put it on Tiger Point, which is going to be the chipset. And as a result, we did several things. First of all, we took 3-chip solution and put a 2-chip solution. I cannot wait to see what the OEM will be able to do with respect to form factor. What we have over here is 3 PINE transistors. I don't know if it's going to be.
Yeah, no, they do 7-star edition, and we basically got the Intel website out here. We can surf around and see what's going on with Intel. The thing to point out here, as you said, is this is a concept, brand new, fully functional, on the internet, working with the building.
What we have over here is a system from MSI. Again, already working on Pine, which are the first chips, and it's running.
This one's running XP, and then here we have an EPC from ASUS.
Running XP. So again, this system will run XP. This system will run definitely Win 7 Starter Edition and Home Basic. So we've got a new system, and again, this system are going to be introduced, or we are going to start shipping this microprocessor by the end of this year. So it's not so far. To summarize, we said 4 years ago that there are 4 things which are important in notebook technology. We call it the 4 mobility vectors. Uncompromised performance in the notebook, small form factor, great battery life, and great connectivity. 5 years later, it's still very relevant. But from 3 hours, it's 8 hours. The form factor is getting better. Everything is getting better. The 4 mobility vectors are still relevant. The only 5th one that emerges and connectivity to work is manageability and security. Because the more we use the notebook, the more we need somebody to help us to manage it, and even more so, the more we need to make sure that it's secure. As I've been saying, we are experiencing the mobile revolution, and from the graphs, at least you see my belief that we are only at the beginning of the mobile revolution. The market is driven by the consumer, and one of the revolutions we feel right now is the thinnest, as we used to call it, thinnest ink. So, let's continue to innovate and adjust the market to make sure that we bring all this greatness over to consumer and be able to look at all the things collectively we are doing and be so proud of it. But before I let you go, I would like to celebrate something. Let me celebrate first year of Atom. Let's have the cake. Can you show me the cake?
Absolutely.
What the hell is that?
It's the Atom processor rolling. Can't you see it?
I can hardly see it. Just a minute, let me see it.
You do wear glasses. Do you think you need an upgrade?
You want to start finding the on stage?
No.
All right, I just want to make sure. This was not in the script. Yes, it is an Atom. But how are we going to feed everybody with this chip?
Maybe we need a roll cake.
A roll cake? I thought that you bring chocolate chips.
Chocolate
chips, chocolate chips,
I got it.
together. Yeah, this is the Atom, a very old, 1-year-old microprocessor. You can see the size, less than half of my fingernail. And there's another thing I believe in. This is the time trail, but I cannot tell you the picture.
I heard that Mooly was looking for something sweet and good looking.